Hi, my brothers and sisters. This is Jackie with Jackie Bible Story 777. Hope you're all doing fine. You know, they cause themselves their own problems and they're in misery. These people are in real misery. Someone wants you to clean up their mess. Someone is in a horrible situation. They knew what they were doing. They are trying to bury the situation. They are trying to get out of a situation. You did nothing. You can't help them. These people have to escape their situation on their own. You can't get in it. It's a friend or family member or a neighbor. But at one time you tried to advise them, they were in too deep. They won't listen to you. The foolish man and the foolish woman, it's in the Bible. They don't listen. They are by taking money, love, things, whatever they're doing. This person is trapped in a situation. They took money, they took someone's love like a scam, and they took things and things like that. This person is trapped in a situation. God did show them signs, but they're trapped in a situation. The enemy got them into this situation because they rock with the enemy and we rock with Jesus. Don't underestimate this situation. You cannot even help them. Have you ever tried to help your children, your brother, your sister? They go right back. Then they blame you. They are in trouble with this person. They did something bad. They took all their baggage into these situations and it was not good. It was not glamorous and they're in big trouble. They may even go to jail for many years, whatever it is. I don't know what these people are doing, but it's bad. How did they get there? Well, for a man, it was a Jezebel spirit in the girl. He listened to her and he found out. And the Jezebel spirit is a bad spirit. She convinced him to do things that he shouldn't have did, maybe cash checks that wasn't his or whatever, but it's bad. For the girl, it was a Jezebel man spirit. They got fooled, tricked, and they got hoodwinked. They can maybe get out of it if they pray and pray and pray and join Jesus. That's the only way. They need serious help right now. Even lawyer might be not able to help them. They got to pray for a really good lawyer. They can even go to jail. The outcome of the situation, if they don't get out of it, side note, they have to handle their own story. They have to make firm decisions. I pray anyone, even here, I pray they escape from a situation. If they're in a situation, it's not too late if you rock with Jesus. You can numb your pain, but they can't numb their pain. You can numb your pain because you can get over your pain. You can pray. You can go to church. You can go to Bible study. You can read the Bible. God will help you. So they can't even numb their pain with a Band-Aid because a Band-Aid falls off. What happens when a Band-Aid falls off, the cut is worse than before. Before it hit the air and it hit the fan. This is what happened to them. Their trouble is hitting the fan. I don't know who this is. I don't know if this is enemies or haters. This is a person that you know. They're going through a lot, a lot. So believe me, stay far from these people and from this situation. Do not get involved. It will harm you in some capacity if you get involved. They will keep going back and saying, you should mind your business. You should mind your business once they get in trouble. Psalm 14, the fool is someone who follows human wisdom over divine wisdom and thus chooses the path of wickedness. So these people took the path of wickedness. You can't help them. You got to stay out of it for your own good, for your children's own good. You stay out of it. When your auntie or somebody calls you and says, listen, let me $500 for a lawyer, stay out of it. Don't even get involved. You'll never get paid back. I don't care if it's a family member. I don't care what it is. They shouldn't have did this. The fool is someone who follows human wisdom over divine wisdom and chooses the path of wickedness. They chose the path of wickedness. They're in trouble. That's it. People who live with no room for God in their lives are called fools. Proverbs 26, 4-5. Answer not a fool according to his folly, lest you be like him. Don't answer the fools. Just be like, yeah. Answer a fool, lest he be wise in his own ways. There are fools that think they're wise in their own ways, but what becomes of them? Wickedness, evil, terribleness, because they join the other side because they think they are so smart in their own ways, but only God is smart. That's why we rock with Jesus here. Let's put in the comments, we rock with Jesus here. Do not, my family, agree with a fool. Put in the comments, I don't agree with a fool. So God is large and in charge. Don't get involved in this. Try to run for the hills. Try to run for the hills. That's all I could say. And if you're the person that's in trouble, pray, get a good lawyer, and do what you can because you're in trouble if you rock with the wrong one. Come and rock with us over here at Jackie's Ministry. We rock with Jesus. So the Cash App is $ Jackie Bible Story 777. I pray 100-fold for my subscribers and anyone else that's here. Please press the like. Please subscribe. This is a good channel to subscribe. I love you guys so much. So press the like button. Let's get this out to other people so they could know not to get involved in this person's misery, because these people are miserable. This person is highly miserable, and you don't want to catch it, and you never will. I love you. Have a good day.